yet shrouded in mystery, the underbrush, thick with vegetation, hides some of nature's most cunning predators, and these creatures, often overlooked, play their ecosystems. Have you ever wondered about the stealthy jaguar, the largest cat in the Americas, known for its powerful build and unique rosette-patterned coat? Jaguars are not only incredible hunters, but they also have a fascinating ability to swim and hunt for fish, caimans, and even tapirs, showcasing their adaptability in various terrains. Meanwhile, lurking silently in the shadows, the green